Okay, let's dive into this and unpack today's fascinating word of the day, dogmatist. Ever argued with someone who flat out refuses to consider they might actually be wrong? It's so frustrating, right? Meet the dogmatist, pronounced D-O-G-M-U-T-I-S-T. It's a noun for someone who asserts their opinions as undeniable facts.
And this brilliantly illustrates how a dogmatist just completely swaps personal views for settled, proven truths. They don't say, well, I think, they tell you how it is. Literally zero room for doubt or discussion.
The root here is dogma, which simply means a fixed, unyielding set of beliefs. Let's see how this builds. Imagine a stubborn professor dismissing your questions without even listening. Classic dogmatist behavior.
And here's the crazy double standard. They treat their opinions as facts, and your facts as just opinions. They will literally refuse to admit they made a mistake, all because of that incredibly rigid mindset.
Now, what's really interesting here is contrasting that closed-mindedness with a skeptic, someone actually willing to question things. So, how would you finish this sentence? Think of a way to forcefully state an opinion as a fact.
So the crucial point is, a dogmatist asserts opinions as facts. Where might you be acting dogmatically today?